If you can hear that dog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priscilla and I make beauty videos. I was recently in Walmart and I found this Serendipity nail dipping system by the brand Color Club for $20. I went on Instagram about a week ago and I posted my nails. Most of you were interested about what I was using and I asked if you wanted to see a review and majority won. And so that's why I'm here today explaining and giving you my thoughts about this product. First thing that we're going to talk about is the directions. We're then going to talk about how to take it off, and then I'm going to give you my thoughts on this product. First, that you must wash your hands thoroughly and dry them, and then you're going to be using a buffer to gently remove shine from your nails. Apply liquid 1, which is this right here. It's called Prime Bond, and you're going to brush lightly with low pressure to ensure an even application. It then says, after applying Prime Bond to the first finger, dip finger in powder using a scooping motion. Tap finger against edge of jar, remove excess powder off of the nail. And then it says for you to repeat 3 to 4 steps. And this is basically to get the thickness that you want. It then says apply a generous amount of number 2, which is this right here. It's an instant activator. It says to be sure to cover all the edges, cap off the tips of the nails, and allow drying time of 2 minutes. It then says to, once dry, shape the nails with a file. There is a file that is included in this box, which I will be opening in a minute. It says use buffer to smooth out the surface of the nail, rinse hands with water, no soap, dry hands and nails thoroughly. Apply another coat of number 2 instant activator to all 10 fingers, wait at least 2 minutes for this to dry and get the best shine when applying the finishing coat. And for number 3, finish gloss to one hand. The first coat should be applied 2 to 3 very quick brush strokes. Don't worry about getting too close to the cuticle area of the capping edges. It then says to wait 15 seconds, to then continue on the same hand and apply a slower, more detailed second coat of the number 3 finish gloss. It says do not overbrush as it may have an effect on the overall shine. And this is the number 3 finishing gloss. I did forget to mention that you have 3 different colors with the Ooh La La kit. You have the French tip, which is like a beautiful white. You have the More Amour, which is like a light pink. And then you have the 3 Wishes, which is like a glitter that I have on my hands right now. Be a 21-day wear at home nail dipping kit. It says it's easy to apply, no LED or UV light needed, long lasting chip color, or chip resistant color, and it's a gentle formula. Remove, you file the top layer of each nail with included buffer to remove the shine and break the seal. Thoroughly saturate a cotton pad with acetone and place it on top of your nail bed. Secure tightly with a foil wrap, and after 15 minutes remove foil wrap from each nail. Using a slanted cuticle stick, gently scrape off loosened dip color, repeat as needed. So basically, if you've ever gotten acrylic done, when you go and remove your acrylic, they usually basically do the same thing, and that's what you're doing. I went ahead and opened the box, and this is what it looks like. This is what the buffer looks like, and this is what the powder looks like. When I applied the nail dipping kit on my nails, I absolutely loved it. The only downfall that I didn't like regarding the buffer is that I felt like it was very hard for me to shape my nail once I dipped it and it was dry. I had a huge, my nail was super thick, and I had to use one of my files in order to file it down to my desired shape and thickness that I wanted it to be. An electric filer would be a lot easier, kind of like the ones that they use at the nail salon. I also wanted to test out the claim of the 21-day wear. Day 1, I absolutely loved it and it stayed on my nails perfectly. Day 2 and 3, right by my cuticle, it started to lift, and that really bothered me because this is supposed to be something that lasts up to 21 days. As you can see on my nail right now, it is lifting. Yes, I'm forcing it in order for it to lift, but I wanted to show you guys that it is lifting. And what happens when it lifts is that basically if I touch my hair, it gets tangled in my hair, and that's really annoying. So at night when I'm trying to put my hair up, it always gets tangled in my nails, and that's super frustrating. Do I recommend this product? Absolutely not. It is a great price point, but I really wanted to stay true to the claims, which is a 21-day wear. After about a week, I only have 4 of them left on my nails, and that was really disappointing. I wanted to make sure to come on to you guys and be real and show you how my nails are looking after I've applied this product. So save your pennies, don't waste your money, because unfortunately this was a no-go for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you've had any success with this product, please let me know down in the comments because I want to see your thoughts on the products as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!